everyone, this time I am going to show to you on how to create a chatbot using MiniChat. So first, in our web browser, type minichat.com and then enter. So here, we are going to get started for free. And then we will choose here Facebook Messenger and click continue with Facebook and click continue. So this is now our MiniChat dashboard. So as you can see, there are many tools here that will help us to grow our page or our e-store. But for now, we have to set up our welcome message. So we have to go to the automation. So click automation. So we're going to start from the basic and then look for welcome message. So here and then click setup. So this is the start of our flow. So here in the welcome message box, let's click on add a text. So let's put our text here. So here is our welcome message. So we're going to add a button here. Like the customers want to see the sample pictures of our product. So I'm going to add here in the button title, I will put perfume pictures. And then click on Messenger and click done. So here in our perfume pictures send message box, we're going a text here, or we're going to upload pictures because this button is all about perfume pictures. So we're going to upload pictures. So we have uploaded 3 sample pictures here, as you can see. But if you want your customers to buy your products, we have to create another convincing button here. So let's try to add a button here. Let's click on the welcome message box and then click on add button. So the name for our next button is, so I will going to put here a special offer and then click messenger and click done. This is now our flow. So let's put a message in our second button. Click this one and then put our message here. So this time we are going to click on preview to see to it how our flow looks like. This is the flow we have created. So after creating our flow there, we are going to click set live and then we're going to enable our welcome message. So click this one. So welcome message is already activated. So after our welcome message was enabled, so let's try to message. Let's go to our FB page and then click on message. So we're going to click on get started. So this is now the flow that we have created a while ago. So let's try to click on perfume pictures. So this is now the sample pictures that we have uploaded. And then we'll try to click on special offers. So here, exclusive lavender perfume offers. So successfully, we have created our welcome message here in our chatbot. And thank you so much everyone for watching and have a great day.